Before we get to the business of the day, there is this report I want to share with you guys. It was published on 25th November 2024 by Kaseme Nwankwo. According to the report, the Rivers State chapter of Ohanaeze Ndigbo under the organization of Ogbakor Ikwerre na Rivers has formally expressed its intention to produce the next President-General of the group following the death of Chief Emmanuel Iwhuruohna. The chapter's demand is based on the rotational leadership structure outlined in Article 11 of the Ohanaeze Ndigbo Constitution, which mandates that leadership positions be rotated among the 7 member states. In a communique released after the stakeholders meeting held in Port Harcourt, Rivers State capital on Sunday, the group reaffirms Rivers State's rightful place in Ohanaeze Ndigbo and emphasized its long-standing support for other states in producing national officers. The statement was signed by Livingstone Weshe, convener of Ogbakor Ikwerre na Rivers, and Barrister Anthony Okoro, national coordinator of Anyị, a pan-Igbo advocacy group. The statement read, "We strongly believe that adherence to the Constitution is the key to enduring a peaceful, prosperous and united Ohanaeze Ndigbo. We urge all stakeholders to support this principle. May God guide us all." The push for a Rivers State candidate comes in the wake of the passing of Chief Emmanuel Iwhuruohna, the 11th President-General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, which has created a leadership gap. The Rivers State chapter contends that having a candidate from the state would provide continuity and inclusivity for the organization moving forward. Which also noted that Rivers State has made significant contributions to Ohanaeze Ndigbo, having held crucial positions such as Deputy Secretary General, National Financial Secretary, Secretary General, and Deputy President General. He highlighted those contributions as evidence of Rivers State's experience and commitment to the organization's goals. Rivers State has proven its dedication to the growth of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, and we believe it is time for us to lead, Weshe added. That statement was from 2 different groups in Rivers State. They called for the leadership of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, and Ohanaeze Ndigbo had their call, and this time they gave it to an Ikwerre man from Rivers State, Senator John Azuta-Mbata. So why did they disown him? That brings me to the subject of the day. Now, let us hear from them why they disowned Senator John Azuta-Mbata, the new Ohanaeze Ndigbo PG. The Ogbakor Ikwerre Cultural Organization Worldwide, on behalf of Ikwerre ethnic nationality, after passionate and exclusive review of the sacrilegious action of Senator John Azuta-Mbata becoming the President-General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, a socio-cultural organization of Igbo people of Nigeria, wish to state in unambiguous and no uncertain terms as follows. 1. That Senator John Azuta-Mbata has the inalienable right to belong to any association of his choice in Nigeria as enshrined in Section 40 of the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. 2. That by becoming the President-General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, an exclusive organization of Igbo people, he has willingly and freely renounced his membership and identity of Ikwerre people, Iwhuruohna. 3. That his action is not the collective view, will, position and thinking of Eneka community, Apala Kingdom and the entire Ikwerre ethnic nationality. 4. That having freely taken a position to be an Igbo man and to occupy the position of President-General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, the Ogbakor Ikwerre Cultural Organization Worldwide unreservedly and unequivocally disclaims and denounces his action, as such action is his private decision taken without the consent of his community, kingdom and Iwhuruohna. 5. That as an Igbo man, he is now seen regarded and declared as a stranger living in Ikwerre land. Therefore, he has been barred from participating in any Iwhuruohna gathering, meetings or political representation, starting from his Eneka community, Apala Kingdom and Ogbakor Ikwerre cultural organization worldwide. 6. That all awards, honors, titles bestowed on him by any organization in Ikwerre are hereby withdrawn. 7. That we call on the international community, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Rivers State Governor, Similaye Fubara, GSSRS, HRM, Eze Iwhuruohna, Wodo, DSSRS, JP, Chairman, Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers, and all lovers of Iwhuruohna that Senator John Azuta-Mbata has ceased to represent, speak and act on behalf of Ikwerre ethnic nationality. 8. That heavy and appropriate sanctions awaits those who will betray and sell out their Ikwerre identity on a platter of political expediency and mere mess of polish, according to Ikwerre custom and tradition. Sign, Eze Barrister Ogbakor Ikwerre, PhD, President-General. Barrister Nyebuchi Philip, Secretary-General. Wow! These guys are very funny. This is unbelievable. You guys were there last year, November 25th, when two groups in Rivers State clamored for the leadership of Ohanaeze Ndigbo after the death of Chief Emmanuel Iwhuruohna, who hailed from Imo State. Is it because you guys don't like Senator John Azuta-Mbata? Because the person that you people wanted to be the President-General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo from Ikwerre was not the person that was selected. That was why you guys are now saying that you have disowned Azuta-Mbata. Secondly, you guys disowned Senator John Azuta-Mbata for associating himself with the Igbos. What is the name of your organization? Ogbakor Ikwerre. In Igbo, it means coming together of Ikwerre people. And in your own language, Ogbakor also means coming together of the Ikwerre nationalities. So what are you guys saying? You guys are opposing what you guys are. Okay, see the names of the two people that signed this document. Eze Barrister Ogbakor Ikwerre, PhD, President-General, and Barrister Nyebuchi Philip, Secretary-General. Ono in Igbo land means mouth, and in Ikwerre language too, it means mouth. Ekwa means throat, and in Igbo land it is called Akwa. Nyebuchi is like Onyebuchi, who is God. These guys are very funny. Instead of you guys to say that you don't like the person that was elected, you guys are busy bringing Igbo correlation into it. Somebody I know is hitting the drums for you guys in the bush. Let me warn you guys. Remove the monkey's hand from the pot of soup before it turns to human hand. That is my advice for you guys. Guys, what do you think? Drop a comment for me. Let me know what you guys think.